12 kilometers beneath the Earth's surface, the world's most expensive oil is extracted from there. And today we're revealing the entire process.
No roads, no help, just helicopters dropping million-dollar rigs deep into jaguar territory.
3,000 meters down, black gold finally erupts, and $30 billion a year is born right here. 500 kilometers of pipeline slicing through jaguar territory to reach the coast.
From deadly jungle to your gas tank, this is how $30 billion of Amazon black gold powers the planet. Beneath the world's largest rainforest lies a $30 billion secret, hidden for centuries.
3,000 meters below this jungle floor, 14 billion barrels of crude oil wait silently. This deep amber liquid powers planes, cars, and entire economies across the globe.
Every car you drive, every plane you fly, its journey starts in the Amazon.
Ecuador, Brazil, and Peru control this oil, but reaching it is nearly impossible.
This single rainforest produces oil worth more than $30 billion every single year.
Wild jaguars, anacondas, and untouched tribes share this land with billion-dollar oil rigs.
6-meter trees stand beside 6-meter drilling rigs. Nature meets industry head-on.
Discovered in the 1960s, and the Amazon's oil triangle changed South America forever.
3,000 meters down, ancient organic matter compressed for millions of years.
From thick black crude to clear gasoline. And today, we reveal the Amazon's full oil journey.
One drop of this dark crude becomes the fuel that powers your daily life.
But how exactly does oil travel from this jungle to your fuel tank? Let's find out.
First, geologists scan the jungle floor using seismic waves to locate hidden oil reserves below. Sound waves bounce off underground rock layers, mapping every drop of buried oil.
Since no roads exist, helicopters airlift every single piece of equipment into the deep jungle.
Each rig part weighs over 2 tons and must be lowered with extreme precision. Workers carve narrow paths through the jungle to reach the chosen drilling site. A solid concrete foundation must support the rig's massive 60-meter steel structure. Concrete is poured to create an unshakable platform strong enough to drill through bedrock. The rig base is bolted to the foundation using high-strength steel anchors. Section by section, the drilling tower rises 60 meters above the jungle canopy. Each drill pipe is 30 feet long and connects to dig deeper into the earth. The diamond-tipped drill bit can chew through 3,000 meters of solid rock. After weeks of assemble, the rig is finally ready to begin its 3,000-meter descent.
This 60-meter machine will now drill straight down to reach the oil reservoir below.
The drill bit begins its journey rotating at 100 revolutions per minute.
Layer by layer, the bit cuts through rock that's been undisturbed for millions of years.
Special drilling mud cools the bit and brings rock debris back to the surface. Every 30 feet, another pipe is added. Hours pass. The drill goes deeper. 1,000 meters deep, the bit hits dense bedrock. Drilling slows to a crawl.
At 2,000 meters underground, pressure becomes extreme. Every reading matters.
After weeks of drilling, the bit finally reaches the prized oil reservoir. 3,000 meters down, the drill strikes. Oil black gold rushes to the surface. The wellhead valve carefully controls oil flow, preventing dangerous blowouts. Each sample is tested immediately for quality density and impurity levels.
Raw crude flows into separator tanks, where gas, water, and oil are split apart. Natural gas separates first and is safely burned through the flare stack above. Underground water mixed with the crude is drained and sent for treatment. What remains is pure crude oil, ready for the long journey to the coastal refinery. From the rig, oil enters a 500-kilometer pipeline, cutting through pure jungle.
The pipeline crosses dozens of rivers, suspended on massive engineered bridges.
Workers patrol the pipeline daily, checking for leaks that could damage the rainforest. At every junction, manual valves regulate oil pressure across the entire route. After 500 kilometers, the pipeline finally arrives at the coastal refinery complex. The Next Forge Labs refinery transforms raw crude into the fuels powering the world. Incoming crude is first stored in giant tanks, each holding millions of barrels of oil.
Crude is heated to 400 degrees Celsius and the temperature needed for distillation.
Hot crude enters the distillation tower, where the real magic of refining happens. Different oil components vaporize at different temperatures, separating into clean layers. At the top, the lightest fraction emerges pure, pale yellow gasoline.
From the middle level, dark amber diesel fuel flows into its own collection line.
Kerosene, heavy fuel oil, and asphalt. Every level produces a different valuable product.
Heat exchangers cool each product down before they move to final processing. Every batch enters the quality control lab, where purity is tested down to molecular level.
From thick crude to crystal clear gasoline. And this is where the transformation completes.
Lab technicians check octane levels, density, and combustion quality of every fuel batch. The octane analyzer ensures every drop meets premium fuel standards before release. Once approved, and the fuel is ready to move from refinery storage to global markets.
Refined fuel is stored in massive holding tanks before being shipped worldwide.
Tanker trucks transport fuel from the refinery to coastal export terminals.
A direct pipeline also feeds coastal ports, where supertankers wait for export loads.
These 300-meter-long supertankers can carry 2 million barrels of refined fuel.
Loading takes 24 hours, and millions of gallons flow into the ship's massive hold.
Once loaded, the captain sets course for ports across America, Europe, and Asia.
With its precious cargo, the supertanker begins a journey across thousands of miles. For weeks, these ships cross oceans, connecting Amazon oil to global fuel markets.
From Amazon jungle to American port, the journey of every barrel ends here.
Fuel trucks deliver to thousands of gas stations across the country every single day.
Every car, every truck, every plane,
The Amazon's oil powers them all silently.
Even airplanes climbing into the sky burn jet fuel born in the deep rainforest. $30 billion every year, the staggering price of the Amazon's hidden oil.
But every barrel comes with a cost to the forest, to wildlife, to indigenous tribes.
From jungle floor to your fuel tank, that's the complete journey of Amazon's oil.
This production by Next Forge Labs is created for educational and illustrative purposes using advanced AI technologies. Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to video generation, human creativity leads every step. Next Forge Labs channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.